What's up, warriors? Welcome to another video on Bitsgap crypto trading bots. In this video, I want to walk you through how to find a profitable trading pair. Okay, these coins can make or break your bots, so you need to know exactly how to do the research before you start trading them. I'm gonna walk you through the process on how I do some of the research, and then I'm gonna walk you through the process of how to add it to a demo bot and then how you can get started. Okay, so I hope you're ready. Oh, actually, I just had a bot close on me. Let me see which one was there. All right, I just had another bot close here. All right, as you can see, one of my bots just closed on me. I have put a stop loss on it. All right, so as you can see, I had this bot close. All right, and then I had this bot close right now in front of you guys. All right, so as you can see, the price went down a little bit because it removed $113 plus another $91 from the overall profits. Okay, so I will create another another two bots for this, and then set up a new settings for it, and then move on from there. All right, so before we get started, I want to make sure that you understand that in order to be successful with trading bots, you need to have a profitable coin pair. Okay, you want to make sure that the pair that you're using has a lot of movement, has a lot of volume. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few strategies on how you can do your own research. Okay, and then how you can start a demo bot in order for you to get going with that. Okay, and then so if you like the percentage that the demo bot is creating for you, then you can move on and, of course, start a live bot if you want, but that's not financial advice. Remember, we don't give financial advice here. We're not financial advisors. We're just giving education, and just showing you what's working for us and for entertainment purpose only. All right. So the first step is you can look over here to your right. Okay. Bitsgap gives you a few settings, okay? They give you some strategies that they have been accumulating from a lot of the traders that use the platform, okay? Now, it also depends on the exchange that you use. Some exchanges do not have the same coin pairs. This is why I have multiple exchanges connected to this, and then I can look for different coin pairs, and the ones that I like, I go and use those. If I see one that is working really well and it's in a different exchange, I add some money to that one, and then I start the demo bot, check what's going on, do I like the percentage, and then I move forward with the live bot. All right, so the first step is looking to see what are the recommendations that Bitsgap is giving you, right? A quick little tip here is you see where it says month. If you click on here, you can search by week or by 3 days. Okay, so either or is good. Month has been a little bit too late now, but you could find some really gold gems if you can check for a week or 3 days, right? Now check this out. Right here with Kraken, okay, is saying that Atom right now is giving you a 2.69%. Okay, Link another 2.41%. So they're awesome. It's good. That's more than the bank will give you and stuff like that, right? So you just have to go and check and verify for yourself. Now, before then, I just wanted to show you guys, as you can see, we have generated over $6,000 with this new bots that I've been having for about 2 days and 21 hours. If I go to the spot price, as you can see, this is the bots that have been closed, okay, stopped out or I closed them, and I generated $59,204. So that's over $65,000 that we have generated in pure profits in the last 3 months, okay? Now, I cannot be showing you this account here no more. Let's move on to the demo account, okay? Here, demo accounts, it's a little bit different. I had this one here for a long time ago. I think I did a video about this and I just left it there. I totally forgot about it. But all right, so let's move on. As you can see, it's giving you different pairs now, okay? I think this one's for Binance. So if you click on creating start a new bot there, we're always going to choose the S bot, right? If you click on that, you can choose your exchange first. Most people use Binance or Coinbase Pro and so on and so forth. Remember that Bitsgap gives you fake money, paper money. So each account has around 50,000 or so, and you can use that, okay, to test. So let's say we're going with Binance here. Actually, we use some good amount of money in Binance. So why don't we go, let's use KuCoin. All right, boom. KuCoin has a lot of different coins and everything, and you can be testing them out. Okay, from there, what you want to do is go down and see the strategies that Bitsgap. Basically, Bitsgap is giving you recommendations of what other people are using, and it's letting you know what the percentage are for some of these bots. Now, one thing I will let you know, you see that this coin pair has a 3 right here. Also, this bottom one. That means that this coin pair is using leverage, okay? We are not going to be doing leverage. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose all your money. So in these trainings and everything I'm going to be teaching you, I'm not going to be teaching you how to use leverage, okay? It's just regular spot limit buys and sell for each bot, okay? So now let's look at this one, VRA against Bitcoin, okay? It's telling you that's giving you 3.82%. Okay, there's a lot of them, as you can see. There's another one, Bitcoin here, USDT, right? So there's all kinds. You can also look at the weekly here and see what they're giving you. As you can see, there's a lot of more. So we can look at this one that says Flux if you want, but that's with Bitcoin. So the one thing you do need to understand, the coin on the left is the coin that's going to be trading. The coin on the right is the profit that you're going to be making, okay? On the left, the coin is the one that's going to be trading. On the right is the coin or US dollar, whatever it is, USDT, is the profits that you're going to be making, okay? Also, another thing you can do, you can also search here, okay? So let's say an example, you want to use Flux, but you don't want to make Bitcoin, you want to make USDT. What you can do is just type it in there, Flux, and as you can see, it gives you two options. It has the USDT or BTC. So let's say that we choose the USDT version, then it's going to populate over here. Now this is general settings, okay? They just give you any settings. We don't know if this is proven. We don't know if somebody tested them. We don't know none of that. That's up to you if you want to use them. I suggest that if you're going to use any of those settings, that you create a demo bot with them, okay? That's step number 1, right? Just looking in here and finding a pair that you like. You can look in the 3 days, the weekly, or the monthly. Okay, let's say that we're going with this one. The next step is that you want to go into a different website. The one we use is CoinMarketCap. Okay, it's free, 100% free to use, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, and in here is giving you all the top coins. Okay, it's giving you all the top coins. All right, my suggestion for you is to look for the coin, as an example, Flux, right? You can go in here and you can type it in. Okay, you type in Flux, as you can see, it's right there. Then it's giving you all the information for this coin. This coin is ranked 122. So to me, that's perfect. Okay, it's in a good range. Let me explain something about these ranges. Okay, if you want to be safe, you want to make sure that you stay with, I would say, between the first 100 coins. Okay, if you stay between the 100 coins, you're more safe from the volatility. I mean, it can still dump, still goes up and down, but they're more secure. The business is more secure. It has a good and workers and founders and employees and community. They grown it to that level, right? So with the first 100 coins, the only thing is you are going to make from 1 to 10% on your investment, okay? but they are more secure. You don't really have to worry about them too much. Now, of course, you can always make a little more. Sometimes you can make 15 up to 20% on some of them, but usually the range is around 1 to 10% for the first 100 coins. If you move on from 101 to around that 500 coins, right? The top 100 to, I'll say 100 to 500 coins, you are gonna make a little bit more. You'll be making still around the 5 to 10%, but some of them will make you like a nice 20 to 25, maybe even tops 30%. Okay, I actually seen some of them that are around the 400 to 500, and they're saying that they'll give you around a good 50 to 60%. But those are, very volatile, right? But you got to remember that is like more mid-range risk. Okay, if you're willing to risk a little more, they'll give you a little bit more percentage. Okay, now the ones that are 501 plus, I would suggest that you stay away from those. Those are more risky. Okay, I mean, you could keep your eye on some of them, but those are the ones that are going to give you 25 plus percent on your investment. Okay, so they do give you a lot of money, but if you're just getting started, I suggest you stick with the first 100. If you want to take a little bit more risk, 100 to up to 500, but then that's it. All right, once you start moving past the 500, it's super risky. You need to really do the research on the company. You need to be searching for them on the websites. CoinMarketCap actually gives you their website, gives you the source code, gives you the white paper, it gives you the community, so you can start searching for it, looking at it, keeping an eye on it, maybe have it in Excel file or put it in TradingView, and just having alerts there, to make sure that you can really figure out what kind of company is behind that, and see if you like the company, see if you like what they stand for. Because above 500 they're really risky and you can lose all your money, right? So you want to make sure that you're protected. You want to protect your capital. Number one rule in trading: protect your capital, protect your capital, protect your capital. Okay, so from there, if you do decide to create a bot on the ones that are above 500, I suggest that you start them about with around $200. I mean, you can even start with 100 or so, but no more than 500. Okay, because in case you do lose it, if they're a scam or something like that, at least you did not bet the house on it, right? So $200 to $500, I think that's fair, and you can test it and see if you like it, and if you're seeing some good ROI on that, then maybe you can move that into a real bot and see if the bots continue making you that awesome ROI. Okay, now from there, my suggestion for you: stay around the 250 and below, man. At least there you're a little bit more safe, you're more protected, you don't have to really worry too much. Okay, now here's another warrior tip. So another thing you can do is stay away from the newly listed coins. Okay, so let's say an example that you're on KuCoin and there's a brand new listed coins. My suggestion is just wait, let it bounce, because usually it bounce up really high, then it drops really fast, and then it bounces, and then it's up and down, up and down. If you like that coin, my suggestion would be to put an alert, set a reminder, and then keep an eye on it, right? Make sure that you, once a week or a few days, you check up on it. You can see what they're doing. And then once they have settled and they have found some support and you see that there's a lot of volume growing and increasing, then you can start demo bot, and then you can, see what's the percentage ROI on that. Okay. Now, let's do some trading here. Let's do some research on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, this is Flux, okay, and that's a good coin. That's the one that we're gonna do research. And before we do that though, let's go back to the regular page here, to the home page, and I want to show you something. When I start looking for coins, okay, I look at the volume in the last 24 hours. That's number one key. Okay, this is a secret I'm giving you guys right now. Golden tip, warrior tip, whatever you want to call it. Make sure that the volume is at least around that, man, I would say 25 million and above. Okay, I have tested some around the 20 million to around 18 million volume, and they have made me some good money as well. But I suggest that you stay at least above the 25 million per 24 hours. And the reason for that is because you want the coin to be moving. You want people to be interested in it and trading it. Okay. If the coin is not moving, the bot is not going to make you money, right? It's going to be sitting there. Your orders might not get filled. It's going to hit your limit orders and it's just nothing's going to happen. And trust me, you do not want that, okay? The whole point for these bots is to be trading for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, okay? You do not want them just sitting there, all right? So rule number one, make sure the volume in the last 24 hours have been over 25 million. Okay, if you want to test something around the 20 to 18 million, that's fine. Make sure they create a demo bot, see how it is, see if the volume is increasing. If it's decreasing, I will leave it alone. All right. Now, another golden warrior tip is that you see the charts. Okay, as you can see, the Tether here, USDT, right, is the stable coin. That means that it's supposed to be backed by $1, so it doesn't go above $1, doesn't go below $1, and if it does, they fix the issue right away. But this chart, you're not gonna really have any movement. You're not really gonna make the kind of monies that the other charts that are moving a couple dollars to 10, 20, $30, hundreds of dollars, right? So you don't want to mess with that. You want to stay clear of that. Okay. The kind of charts that you want is the charts that move, okay? That have some good ups and good downs, but mostly the bots are gonna make you the money while they're in the range, okay? Yes, you're gonna follow if you put a trailing up, the bot's gonna follow up, and if you put it trailing down, the bot's gonna move it down as well. But the bots make you the most money when it's in a range, right? So let's say an example. Let's look at Polkadot. Okay, Polkadot's a good one. Let's look at that one and let's see how it does. Okay, first of all, as you can see, the volume in the last 24 hours has been amazing, over 1 billion. Okay, perfect, awesome. Check number one. From there, you want to look at the 1 year and see how. Look at that. Look how it goes up, it goes down, 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 right? These are perfect. Okay, this is what you want because you want them to move so the bot is buying and selling over and over and over again, right? Those are some of the small tips that you want to be looking at when you're looking at a chart. Now let's look at the feather one there. Let's see this one. If you look at this one, look at this. It's just bam, 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 bam. It's not really moving too much. You're not going to make any money with this. Okay? So I suggest that you leave this alone, right? You see the difference in the chart? Look at that. Here, okay, this one was one of those things, but as you can see, this just doesn't move. So you're just going to waste your money doing that, okay? There's no reason for that. So let's look at another one. Actually, let's go back to Flux, right? So we go back to Flux here, bam. All right, so Flux here, let's look at the 1 year. As you can see, 1 year ago, oh man, if you would have got in this one, whoo, you would have made some good money. All right, but we're here now. As you can see, it has moved up, it has moved down, it has moved up. Now it's kind of consolidating. It depends what Bitcoin's gonna do. If Bitcoin's gonna keep dumping, then of course it's gonna go down. If Bitcoin moves up, then of course it's gonna move up, right? So it does, you can start seeing that it is moving, it is doing something, right? So that's good. Let's look at the volume, okay? Look at this, 84 million, okay? Beautiful. You can see that people are trading it, okay? People are investing in it. Here's the white paper if you want to read about it, the website, the community, everything, okay? And it's 122, perfect, all right? So let's say that we're going to go with this one. Okay, now you can come back here. You did the research. You make sure that there's enough volume. You make sure that the chart is moving up and down. You're able to see things. You're able to see that people are investing in it. They're trading in it. And it's the top 500 and below. Okay, perfect. Boom, you have it. From there, what you can do, you can come into the chart. You already have it here, your coin pair, right? And then you can do 4-hour, 6-hour time frame. If you don't see them here, what you can do is click on this little arrow right here, and you can either start the ones that you like, and they'll show up here. As you can see, as an example, I take out the 30 minutes, it disappears. I put it back, it adds it there, okay? So what I do is you can have all of these, whatever, it's up to you. It does not matter, okay? But I suggest you start either on the 4-hour or the 6-hour. A lot of people trading, we use the 4-hour, okay? For now, let's just do the 6-hour, just to make it simpler and easier. All right, as you can see, this is a wonderful, wonderful range, right? It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, okay? From there, what you want to do, right? You want to make sure that you are finding some type of support, right? Some type of support. You look to the left. You want to make sure that you find some type of support. As you can see, the support here, there's a little support here, but then there's also support here. So if you want to be a little safer, just bring this down, bam. There you go. Now you are able to grab all this movement, okay? Up and down, up and down. Awesome. Now, another gold tip that I'm going to give you, this is a warrior tip, okay? I don't know why a lot of people on here on YouTube and other places, they're showing you this, and it's just, I don't know why. They're not showing you the right way. A lot of them are showing you to buy all these coins right now. So in order for you to have these red lines here, these are sell limit orders, okay? They're ready to sell. But you need to buy all of these, right? Or if you already have the coins, then they will put them here. My suggestion is if you're buying right now, let's say an example that with this here, they're giving us this amount of money, right? Well, you don't want to buy the coins right now and barely have any money down, right? You want to make sure that you're able to buy as much as possible when it comes down here so you can sell as much as possible when it goes up. So what you do is you bring this down, right? You bring this down, see? So now what you're doing is you're only having a few lines there, 1, 2, maybe 3 lines, and that's it, okay? Boom, there you go. Now you only buy 1 to 2 coins, whatever the many coins it is, and you don't have to worry about the rest. If it starts dumping down, you're not at a loss, a big loss here. You only bought a few and you're good to go, okay? That's tip warrior number 1 for the doing the charts, okay? The other one was here, you found good support here, but there's another awesome support here. You want to make sure that you're able to pull this range, okay? From there, this was the settings that Bitsgap provided for you. That's up to you if you want to use them. I have special settings, VIP settings that I give my customers. If you do join Bitsgap under my affiliate link, I will give you those until we create our program. And when we create a program, we go live with it, we're going to remove the checklist from giving it to people that sign up on their affiliate link, and we're only going to give it to them for the people that buy our program, okay? But for now, we have not launched that. So if you join under our affiliate link, which is investwarriors.com/bot, you can have my checklist for 100% free. As you can see, we're testing with hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we have found some awesome settings. Okay. So from there, let's say an example that, this is what Bitsgap give you. You test, and you can do a back test, okay? You click on that, and it's going to give you a 3-day, a 7-day, and a 30-day results. Okay, look at this. Without putting trailing up, in 3 days, you will be generating 2.20% return on your money. There is no bank that's giving you that right now. Okay, in 7 days, 5.13%, and in 30 days, 22+% on your investment. Okay, that means that for every $100, you're going to be getting $22.01 back. That is amazing. Okay. Now the other thing you can do is also click on trailing up, and then you can back test. Let's see what the results are. Look at that. Okay, this is amazing. It just double. All right. So in 3 days, you're gonna get 4.60% back. Okay, in 7 days, 10.74% back, and in 30 days, an amazing whopping 46.02% back on your investment. That is the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Okay, and this coin is in the 200s. Okay, so it's awesome. Now, if you want to mess with the settings, you can. I suggest you can start testing. You can start creating your own settings and, creating the demo bots with it. Don't worry, the money's there for free. It's paper money. You cannot remove it from there. You're not going to lose it. It's just there. So don't worry about that. Okay. Now, as you can see, it says the grid step 28 and 120. Like I say, you can testing, you can put, whatever you want and see if you like the numbers, and then you can test from there. And if you don't want to deal with all that, don't worry about it. Just sign up under my affiliate link, okay, at investwarriors.com/bot, and I will give you my VIP setting list, okay? All right, so from there, let's say that you do it and you like everything and you have your investment. Okay, for some reason, this pair is only giving us $1,089. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the balance. You can click here and look at the balance. Oh, it's because we used this before. That's the reason. All right. Well, there you go. And then what you can do is just click right here, preview. It's going to give you a preview of all the settings, your exchange, the pair, the profit currency, the sell orders, buy orders, the levels, the steps, the high price, if you're doing trailing up and trailing down and all that good stuff. And my suggestion is that when you're going to start a buy, you always click trailing up. Okay, you want the bot to follow the price up if it has a big move up, right? But going down, just like trailing down, don't touch that right now. You need to have more money in your accounts. And if it's still dumping and stumping and you don't have a specific limit, it's gonna eat up all your profits, all your money, and you don't want to be in a situation that's more advanced. And I will be teaching that in my program when I release it. Okay, so but for now, please don't touch trailing down. Okay, but trailing up doesn't cost any extra money. It will move the grid up if the price moves up. Okay, so it's wonderful and it's amazing. Then you also have take profits. Okay, if you want to take profit in a section, and you also have a stop loss. Okay, as you can see, some of my bots were stopped out. That's because I already had made some good profits with them, and I put a stop loss on them because I wanted to make sure that I reserve and I protect my capital. All right. From there, all you do is click preview. If you like the settings, you like everything, you click confirm, and then it's going to give you a pop-up. It's going to say, hey, you need to buy this many flex coins. And remember, we remove a lot of the red lines, so we only need to buy 3.45 coins instead of having, let me show you. If you were to have, let's say an example like we did earlier, right? We had this all the way here, right? And then you click preview and it says confirm. And then it says, look, you need to buy 93.47, okay? And the issue with that is if it starts dumping, well, you bought almost 100 coins right here and you're at a loss with all of them plus the ones that you're buying right now, okay? So this is why you want to make sure that you bring this down, okay? You bring this down here and you only have a few lines, okay? I suggest 1 to 2, maybe tops 3, that's it. Because then if it does move up, you're going to sell those right away, boom, and then the price is going to move back down and buy anyways, right? So you want to make sure that your firepower is below right here, okay? All right, so now we click preview, we click confirm, it says 3.46 flex, yes, we click yes, buy, and then you're going to have a warning right here, a little pop-up saying it's starting. As you can see, it started, boom, it bought 3.46 flex at market price, bam. Okay, success, the bot has been started. Okay, now in the real accounts, when you do start bot, it's gonna actually give you another pop-up that says that the bot has been started. Okay, my suggestion for you is to stay there for at least 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that there's no errors. Okay, sometimes they do give you an issue, and they, there's like some type of error that you did, and if you made a mistake, listen, you stop the bot, you click done, you click modify. Let's say this is the bot right here. As you can see, you already made a transaction. Look at that. You already made a transaction. You already bought 3.42, right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, if you do make a mistake, you click on the coin pair that you want, you click modify, and then you can it's gonna show up right here. When this pops up like this, let's say we click on this one, and then this is gonna be highlighted right here. As you can see, you click that little circle there, and then you're gonna have different options. You can say cancel all open orders. You can sell market price, place sell limit order at the break even. It's up to you what you want to do. Let's say an example, you just want to get out, you don't care because it's dumping. You sell at the market price, you click confirm. It's going to give you this warning to wait a minute. As you can see, bot has been canceled. Okay, then you click done, and look, the market order was placed to sell 1.05 Bitcoin, and then boom, market order was filled. Okay, that's how that works. And don't worry about it. If you do make a mistake and you need to stop the buy and you need to sell market order, whatever you need to do, you might lose a couple dollars, but nothing major is going to happen. Okay, awesome. Now, from there you go. There's your bot. My suggestion for you is to let the bot run for a few days, 3 to 5 days, even top 7 days. Look at it, check it out. You can click here where it's this little graph, and it's going to give you the full breakdown on everything. Okay, it's going to be letting you know how many orders it's making. As you can see, this one already created an order. All right, it's going to be buying around 3.4. The price was $2.64. Price to sell, it did not sell right now. It was only a purchase buy, so that's why the number's right here and not here. The fee was this amount, the profit was this, and the total is this. When it creates a sell order, right, you're gonna have the price sell here and then the profit of what happened. Okay, now you can also click on order status. As you can see, it created all these buy orders for you automatically. Okay, just think about how much time you're saving with this. I mean, if you were to go and do all these orders one by one, it's a pain. Okay, so at least you have those right there, and you created all these buy orders, and you also created 2 sell orders, right? So there you go, my friend. There's everything that you need to know on how to find a profitable coin pair and how to start a demo bot with it. Test it for 3 to 7 days, and then you can start with either putting it into a regular account, or you look for a new coin. All right, guys, so a lot of people have been asking us, how can we get this VIP checklist? The only way to do this is to join Bitsgap under our affiliate link, and you can do that by going to investwarriors.com/bot. Okay, but please understand that once we release a program, which we're working on right now, once we release it, we're not going to be giving this out no more. This is only for the people that join through these videos. And if you do come, in a few weeks, a few months from now, you see these videos, and you go to the link and it's redirecting to a page or something like that to buy, that's because we released the program now and you cannot get the affiliate link. But you can join the program, and we're going to give you full tutorials and everything. We're going to walk you through every single step on how to be using Bitsgap profitably. Okay, so the main thing is that when you do go to investwarriors.com/bot, it's going to take you to a link. Okay, so let's say an example. Let me walk you through that right now. Okay, while we're here live, let me just do it. Okay, let me walk you there. Boom, boom. It's going to take you to this page here, right? Just give it a few minutes. It's loading right now. And what you wanted to do is make sure that you see these numbers right here, okay, where it says bitsgap.com/ref equals 86509B23. Okay, once you do that and confirm and you sign up, you can also go log into Bitsgap account, click on the settings. In the account's details, you will see the refer number, which will be on the bottom. okay, and that needs to say 86509B23. If you do not have those numbers, you can create a new account with affiliate link, and then make sure that our affiliate ID is there, and that'll be great. And then you'll get credited, and I mean we'll get credited, and then we can send you the checklist. Now from there, you're gonna get 7 days free trial, so you can go and check some coin pairs, do the research like we showed you here, and then create some demo bots and see if you like what you see there, right? Once the 7 day free trial has expired, they're gonna give you an option to upgrade. You can either upgrade to the monthly plans, or you can upgrade to a 6-month plan. Okay, so here's what we'll do. If you upgrade to any of the programs for the monthly package, we'll give you the day-to-day trading bot secret checklist. Okay, if you upgrade to the 6-month plan, okay, we're gonna actually give you our HODL bot settings. This is the settings that will make you more of a coin that you want. It can be more Bitcoin, it can be more Ethereum, it can be more Sol. It depends your exchange, and they have different pairs, but they will make more of that. Okay, but that's only if you join the 6-month package. Okay, from there, if you do join while we have not released our program, you're gonna also get a 50% discount when we launch our program. Okay, it's going to be in beta testing. We'll give you 50% discount if you want to join it, and we're going to have a lot of modules in there walking you through every single thing you could think of about Bitsgap. We're using them every single day. We're putting our money where our mouth is, and we're trading with it, and we're using it, and it's our business. Okay, so we do this every single day for you guys, and we're showing it to you. We're making videos about them all every week. You will see everything. Okay, so how do you claim your checklist? What you need to do is send us an email at bonus@investwarriors.com with the title Bitsgap VIP bonus. Okay, and send us a screenshot of your ID and our affiliate link, basically like this. You can cover your username, we don't need that, but we do need to see your user ID, because that's how we're going to verify that it's you. Okay, and as you can see, we'll be able to see it like this. Okay, and we'll be able to see the user ID, and they'll be here. Okay, that's that one right here. Okay, your user ID, we're going to be able to see that here. So when you send it to us, we're going to be able to see that, and then it needs to say converted for us. Okay, if it says free trial, if it says free, unfortunately we cannot send it to you. It will say converted in our end, and then we're going to know that you did upgrade, and then that our affiliate ID is right there, and boom. Okay, we'll send you the checklist for 100% free. All right, and again, you can go to investwarriors.com/bot to claim your VIP checklist once you sign up for Bitsgap under affiliate link. All right, so hey warriors, I hope you appreciate this video. Go and do some research, find the coin pairs. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Tell me what coin pairs do you find. Tell me, do you like them? Do you not? Or what's something that you're looking at? Is there a new coin pair that you saw that you wanted me to take a look? Let me know, and I can do a video around those things. And if there's anything else you need from me, you can just comment below on one of my videos and I'll respond back. All right, so I appreciate your time. Please use this information. It's very powerful. And again, remember, let the profits come to you. Take care, warriors.